everyone. We have already learned fractions and types of fractions. Today we will learn how to add and subtract like and unlike fraction. So let's start. We will add like fractions. How to add like fractions? We simply add the numerators and write the sum over the same denominator. Yes. So we are taking an example 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Very simple. What we need to do? We need to add both the numerators and we will write the new denominator as it is. So 7 is the denominator. So we will write 7 as it is, only once. So now what will be the answer? 5 by 7. So this way we can add the like fractions. How this is like fractions? Because denominators are same. So we are moving further now. Another example we can take 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Here two parts are shaded. Here one part is shaded. So how to add? Adding the numerator as we have done just now. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and we are writing the denominator as it is. So our answer will be 3 by 6. Another example we can take 2 by 9 is shaded here. Here 4 by 9 is shaded. How to add? Just adding the numerators. So 2 plus 4 numerators are added and we are writing the denominator as it is. So the answer is 6 by 9. Now we will subtract like fractions. How to do this? We are taking example 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. What we need to do? We need to find the difference of the numerators. 3 minus 2 and we are writing the denominator only once as it is. So 4 is the denominator. We will write like this. So 3 minus 2, 1 and 4 is the denominator. So answer will be 1 by 4. So this way we can add like and unlike fractions. How to add unlike fractions? We are taking the number 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. You can see it here. How we can add it? Now the denominators are different. This is unlike fractions. So the first step is we will make the denominators equal. So how we can make the denominators equal? So we will see if we multiply this denominator 2 by 3. So it will be 6. And if we multiply this denominator by 2, then also we will get 6. So then both the denominators will be equal. So how to do this? So 2 multiplied by 3. If we are multiplying this denominator by 3, so numerator should also be multiplied by 3. Yes. So 1 by 3 is here. Now 3 should be multiplied by 2. Then only we will get 6. So numerator should also be multiplied by 2. So if we are multiplying the denominator by 3, the same number should be multiplied by the numerator. Here also 2 is being multiplied. So this also should be multiplied by the numerator. Yes. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 by 6. So adding, now it is a like fraction. How to add? Simply adding the numerators which is equal to 5 and we write the denominator as it is. So this way we can add unlike fraction also. Another example we can take 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now the different denominators we can see, it is unlike fractions, but now how to add it? We need to make the denominators equal. If 3 is multiplying by 2, we will get 6. But 4 cannot, we cannot make 4 to the 6. So this 3, if we multiply this denominator by 4 and this denominator 4, we can multiply by 3. So then both the denominators will be equal. So 3 should be multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12, and 4 should be multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12. So then denominator should equal. So what is our next step? When we are multiplying the denominator by 4, so numerator should also be multiplied by 4 here, and here this denominator will be multiplied by 3. So what are we getting here? 4 by 12 plus 3 by 12, which is equal to 7 by 12. So this way we can add unlike fractions also. We need to make the denominators equal. So next, moving further, now we will learn how to subtract unlike fractions. Now we are taking the number 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5. Now we will learn another method of subtracting. This method is called butterfly method. It is very interesting. How to do this? We will cross multiply these factors and we will cross multiply these factors like a butterfly. So what we are getting? 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 4 multiplied 2 is 8. So subtract now 15 minus 8. But the other step is denominator should also be multiplied. So 4 into 5, which is equal to 20. So subtracting these numerators, 15 minus 8 is 7 and denominator should be multiplied. So which is equal to 20. So the answer is 20. 7 upon 20. This method is called butterfly method. That means we need to cross multiply these factors, and denominator should be multiplied. Another example we can take 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. What are we going to do? We will just cross multiply like butterfly method. So 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. 5 into 1, 5. But these numbers should be multiplied and what are we getting? 6 minus 5 and denominator should be multiplied. So 10. 6 minus 5, 1 by 10. So now you can practice adding like fractions and unlike fractions with different numbers. See you in the next video.